Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make some salmon and some string beans. This is an easy recipe. I'm gonna marinate my salmon for about 3 hours before I cook it today. So this is really easy. So I'm gonna just use some salt. I'm gonna use some sea salt and some adobo. These are the two products that I'm gonna use, and some black pepper. I'm gonna use some adobo, sea salt, and black pepper on the salmon. And I'm gonna use the same thing on my green beans. So let me just go ahead and open this and marinate it. It is 0.69 ounces net pounds, I guess. 0.69. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a half teaspoon sea salt and a half a teaspoon adobo with 1 teaspoon of pepper. I like a lot of peppers. I'm gonna massage that teaspoon of sea salt. I'm gonna rub that in really well. And let me just go ahead and add in the pepper. I'm gonna add this to a little freezer bag and put it in the refrigerator. And this will be ready for me to saute in the pan a little bit later. Okay, on the package it said it's lightly smoked, but I can't even smell the smoke on it, so I don't know why they said lightly smoked. Okay, all right, let me put this in the refrigerator. I have two tablespoons of avocado oil in this pan. So I'm gonna put 2 small salmon pieces in here. Okay, I'll go ahead and cover it and let it cook until the salmon is ready. And you will be able to tell when the salmon is ready. It'll start turning kind of white on each side. So that'll take a few minutes, okay? I'm gonna turn the salmon over. Let it cook on the other side for about 4 minutes. Add some green beans. This is a very easy recipe. Add a little salt to the green beans. Salmon is ready. See how easy that was to cook.